Hi guys, 11:34 PM na, Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang pong Feng Shui, Pachi Chimen, and Yijing Consultant. So, kumusta po kayo? And magandang gabi po. And apologies po, na late po tayo. I just finished my online consultation with one of my clients in Las Vegas po. At sayang nga lang po, di kami nagkita po doon. No? Well, somewhere along the way, we just realized po that all the while I was thinking that she's in California, but I found out po that she's in Las Vegas. But wala sa isip ko, maybe that means that yung age po is already taking toll. But nonetheless, sa dami po na nag-inquire, nagtanong, Kuyang Jimmy, Kuyang Worshipful Brother SK Jimmy Maglinaw, sir. Thank you, Kuyang, for reminding me. And ito po, sa almost close to 40 plus na nag-inquire, may clients, and you somewhere out there. Norman, ghost month na, wala ka man lang bang feature dyan. So now, ito na po tayo. BFF ha. Now, ito na po yung ating sharing. So, simulan ba natin sa ghost month or yung dati nating ginagawa? Okay, simulan po natin ng usual nating ginagawa. So, ano po ba tomorrow? August 1 na, BFF. Eto na. Wow, bilis. Sobrang bilis po. August na. And then after that, Berna. And then yun na, Jose Maricha na ulit. Okay. Now, let's qualify. Okay. Let's qualify. Ano ba yung August 1? Yan. In the eyes or in the Feng Shui world. Ano natin? Okay. August 1 is the fire rooster enters the full officer day. So, Rooster Day. Okay. So, ano bang pwedeng gawin sa Rooster Day? Okay, tingnan natin ha. Rooster Day. Let us see. Okay. Rooster Day. Sabi dito, seek blessings, making a donation, renovation, house cleaning, groundbreaking, burial, buying a new car, submit tender, IPO, keeping a pet, visit a beautician, and purchases. Avoid going to see, magpagupit, and contract signing not good for tomorrow. Ayan, now you have it. How about animal signs? Rat is average, ox is very good, tiger is average, rabbit not so good, dragon and snake is very good, horse is average, goat not so good, monkey average, rooster very good, and dog and pig not so good. Hi to Ma'am Maria, thanks for watching. Yeah, mamagandang gabi po sa inyo. Yes, so share natin yan. Okay, so yun po. Now for the let's say you're going to see, pagpapagupit ka tomorrow, and and other things na not suitable. So, may parang tayo pang 10x tayo. We have the daily chimen. O, ito po, daily chimen natin. Okay, if you're not feeling well, tumalikod ka whole day from now until 10:59 tomorrow, talikod sa southeast. Anything to do with finances, negotiation, heart-to-heart talk, making amends, peace on earth, talikod ka naman sa south. Anything to po to game changer po natin, and if you're 10x being beautiful and handsome, you're into blogging, you're into sales and marketing, gusto makahanap ng kliyente, gusto makabenta po ng iyong products and services, talikod ka naman sa northwest. And for opportunities, talikod ka naman po sa east. Yan. Okay, thank you for sharing po, Ma'am Maria. Salamat. Okay, so those are the backing. Okay, now, Kuya Jimmy, isa-isahin natin. Ayan, ito na po. Ghost month. Oo, talaga naman. Ano bang meron dyan? Okay, ha? Kasi alam niyo po, iba ay tatamad magbasa. Well, kahit naman po ako eh. So, maganda na yung mapakinggan nyo. At least may nagpapaliwanag. So, let us see. Tingnan natin. Ano ba ang meron sa ghost month? Okay. Ito po. Isa-isahin natin para po lahat na-cover po natin. O para po, meron na po tayong blueprint, meron na po tayong o sabihin po nating reference, ano ba yung ghost month? O number 1, wag pong as much as possible, starting August 4 to September 2, August 4 ang start, August 18 po ang festival, at September 2 po ang ending. So, yung 3 dates pong yan, ang pakaiingatan natin. Number 1, hanggat maaari, wag pong lumabas sa gabi. Yun po, kasi po may spirit, may unseen things po. So avoid going out at night. Number 2, sana, malamig naman. So, huwag ka magsiswimming, avoid swimming. Ayan, ha. Hindi advisable, lalo na pag 6 p.m. onwards. Night swimming, not recommended. Huwag magsimula ng negosyo. Yan. Pero po, kung hindi may iwasan, may mga dates pa rin po. So, ano po ba pinagkaiba ng ghost month sa ordinary month? Sa ghost month, there are only 10 to 12 to 15 auspicious days. So, pwede ka pa rin namang gumawa ng mga importanteng bagay. Sa ordinary months, you have 20 plus days na okay. So, yun po pinagkaiba nila. Okay, huwag kumanta at magpito po. Don't whistle. Magkaka-attract daw po siya ng unseen things. Keep away din po sa mga dingding, sa mga walls. Ayan. Okay, Jimmy, ha? Yun po. Nandun daw po yung mga hindi nakikita. Ayan. Kung may pinanganak po sa ghost month, huwag po magse-celebrate ng gabi. 7. Yan na po, ulit. Sinabi, inulit na naman. Do not go at 12 midnight. O, yun, sinabi na po, sa gabi ulit. Huwag pong, ito po, don't pee on trees or soil. Bawal pong jumingle po sa environment, ha. Maghanap ng CR. Delikado po yan sa ghost month. Ito po, kung umulan man, huwag ka mag-iiwan ng payong. Yan, sa labas ng bahay. At huwag ka rin magbubukas ng payong sa loob. Ito po, huwag maglalagay ng nakabukas na payong sa labas at huwag din maglalagay ng nakabukas na payong sa loob. Sarado ang payong, ilagay sa loob. Okay. 10. Bawal ang selfie lalo sa gabi. Yan, Huwag ba ang selfie? Baka may lumitaw. Maging pan Jessica Soho po yung inyong picture. Yan. Huwag matutulog po nakaharap ang salamin. Dapat naman po talaga kasi po ang salamin is a gateway at kung saan po nakatapat ang salamin, that's where you get sick. So, careful. 12. Don't get married. So, naunahan na. O, yun na po. Kung na maaari, iwasan natin ang getting married sa ghost month. Ayan. 13. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung mga multo-multo sa ghost month. No? Iwasan muna tayo sa mga Netflix, sa mga pelikula pong mga ganyan na ang tono spiritual. Huwag muna. 14. Huwag pong papatay po ng kakaibang insekto. Baka po, well, sabi nila, yung insektong yun might be a spirit, so careful. 15. Yan. Huwag kang gagalaw po ng mga aquarium po. So, as is mo yung aquarium mo. Ngayon parang lilisin mo na sa ghost month, let it be. Huwag gagalawin. Next. No construction or renovation sa ghost month. But again, kung may tumutulog ang bubong o may sira, pwede pa rin po, i-compute lang po natin for you. Next. Sabi dito, for the ladies, avoid high heels. Dahil daw, nagpapanggap daw po mga multo using that kind of, high heels. Next. Huwag po maglalaro ng mga spiritual games, mga board games po na spiritual in nature, ha? Avoid yan. Ito po, alam ko po, marami po dito kasi importante, avoid long travels, local and abroad. But again, because watcher naman po kayo dyan, you can still know, may mga game changer po tayo, mga backing po. So, pwede pa rin itong magkaroon ng magandang outcome. Kasi pag importante po naman yung inyong biyahe, hindi na po pwede po itong i-postpone. Next, no big purchases. Investment, gaya po ng bahay, kotse, stock market investment na malalaki. Not in the ghost month. Wala din pong new business deals or signing contracts. But again, meron po diyang exemption. You can contact me for that. We can compute that one. Next, huwag mag-iwan ng mga baro po na nakasabit po sa sampayan ng gabi. Ayan, don't do that. Kailangan, bago mag 6 p.m., tuyo na, ipasok lahat ng mga sinampay. Next, ito po, for protection, pwedeng gumamit po ng rock salt or salt cure. Ayan. Or pwede ka rin magdala sa bag mo po if you want. But, ang exposed salt po is only good for 3 days. So, kailangan papalit ka po every 3 days. Ito po, keep your home and surroundings bright and light. Ayan kailangan mag-ilaw. So, alam ko po, may titipid sa kuryente, but this is not the time to do that. Kailangan po maliwanag ang inyong bahay. Kahit yung loob po, yung lahat papatayin lahat ng ilaw. Mag-iwan ng nakabukas na ilaw. Ayan. Magsuot ng something bright colors, young colors like red, green, orange. Iwasan ang black, gray, and dark blue. So, iwasan yung mga malulungkot na dapat ang kulay masaya. Yan. Next. Avoid going to yin places, gaya po ng ospital, cemetery, or funeral. Hanggat maaari po, wag not in the ghost month. Ito ulit, pangatlong best na po inulit. Avoid staying out at night. So, yung nighttime talaga't maiiwasan natin, ha. So, kung talaga hindi po maiiwasan, of course, you have to pray and bring in whatever your faith is and whatever your religion represent. Bring po something that represent the protection of that faith you have. Bring something. Again, ito po ulit, inulit, no house renovations, digging, and banging. Ayan. And lastly, Kuya Jim, avoid party occasions. Makaka-attract daw po ito ng mga unseen things. Ayan. So, ang ghost month po is not a month para po tumigil ang ating mundo. It's not that na because of ghost month, ikaw po mag-hibernate, bigla ka lang titigil lahat. Hindi po. Ghost month or August is still a part po ng taon natin. And of course, what is expected of us, yung mga roles natin, whatever that is, ay patuloy po yung iikot at gagalaw at hindi po siya matitigil just because of the ghost month. So, ghost month po is a time of reflection, is a time po of doing good things, a time to make a donation, to be a better person po. Yun po siya. The ghost month po, yun po ang actually po, ang objective po ng ghost month is for you to be a better person. And then we remember po those have that departed po. Of course, us, we are doing that on November 1 and 2. But ito pa pwede rin po natin gawin. So we can offer prayers for them. Then sa mga nagtatanong po regarding the incense, pwede po kayo magsindi ng 3 red incense sticks in front of your main door. Kung sa loob naman po ng bahay, sa gitna pong bahagi ng bahay kayo, pwedeng magsindi. Wow, ayan po kumpleto na po yan. Rock salt po, meron pong technique dyan, pwede pong yung salt lamp, pwede po yon, yung mga binabagit lang from Himalayas mountain, everything. Yeah, pwede po yon. Or the rock salt po na tinatakal sa palengke, you can use that glass, lagyan nyo ng salt, and then lagyan nyo po ng water lang po to submerge the salt po para po yung potency niya wag po mawala. Again, BFF, thank you so much for being able to share. Tomorrow po, best effort po, I'll be discussing po the sectors that will be affected positively and negatively po by the ghost month. So watch out tayo. Ano ba yung best sector for the ghost month? Ano ba yung mga sectors na iiwasan all of a sudden, dati maganda, biglang naging negative? And how do you prepare for that? Bukas po natin yan. Or the next day. Again, BFF, thank you so much for the opportunity to be able to share. Let us continue to pray for each other. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless us all with a grateful heart. Maraming po salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless and good night. Bye-bye. Thank you.